What can it do? It'll basically do anything you want. So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of, it will do.
Right now, as you're watching this video, over 63 million Americans are stuck in one of the most expensive and emotionally draining situations imaginable: caring for an aging parent or loved one. Nursing homes in the United States now cost an average of over $10,000 per month. You heard that right. That's over $120,000 a year just for a semi-private room. And that number is climbing every single year with no signs of slowing down. But here's where things get really interesting. Elon Musk and Tesla have been quietly developing a solution that could completely flip the elder care industry on its head. The Tesla bot Optimus, with a projected price tag of just $20,000 to $25,000, is being designed to handle household tasks, monitor health, and provide around-the-clock assistance right inside your home. One purchase. No monthly bills, no burnout, no waiting lists. So could a humanoid robot actually replace a nursing home? What can Optimus really do for elderly care right now? And where is this technology headed? And why is the elder care industry so nervous about what Tesla is building? Find out now. Welcome to Visionary Vault. As Elon Musk himself said during a recent interview, Optimus will be the most transformative product of any kind ever. Bold words. But after what we've uncovered, we think he just might be right. Before we get into what Optimus can do, we need to understand why this matters so much. And honestly, the numbers are staggering. According to the latest data, the average cost of a semi-private nursing home room in the United States is around $9,800 per month. That works out to roughly $118,000 per year. A private room? Even worse. We're talking over $135,000 annually. And in states like Alaska and Connecticut, those numbers skyrocket to over $300,000 a year. Incredible. And not in a good way. But that's not all. A recent AARP report revealed that 63 million Americans, that's nearly 1 in 4 adults, are now serving as family caregivers. That's an increase of 20 million people since 2015. Oh my goodness. Think about that for a second. Nearly a quarter of all American adults are providing some form of ongoing care for a loved one. And here's the part that really breaks your heart. 1 in 5 of those caregivers report that their own health is suffering because of the demands of caregiving. Nearly half have experienced major financial strain, including taking on debt, draining their savings, or even struggling to afford food. And here's the kicker. The U.S. Census Bureau projects that by 2034, there will actually be more seniors in this country than children. More people needing care and fewer people available to provide it. It's a crisis that's only getting worse. The elder care industry knows this, families know this, and now Tesla knows this too. So what's the solution? Well, we think Tesla might just have the answer, and it's standing 5 foot 8 inches tall, weighs 125 pounds, and runs on the same AI that powers Tesla's full self-driving system. All right, let's now move on to what makes Optimus genuinely capable of transforming home care. Because this isn't just some sci-fi fantasy anymore. The specs on this machine are seriously impressive. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3, which is set for its official production intent reveal in the first quarter of 2026, features 22 degrees of freedom in its hands alone. That's nearly matching the human hand's 27 degrees of freedom. In other words, this robot can grip a cup of coffee, button a shirt, handle medication bottles, and even crack an egg without crushing it. We're not exaggerating to say that the dexterity on this thing belongs in a sci-fi movie. The robot is powered by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery that provides 10 to 12 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. And get this, a full recharge takes only about 2.5 hours, with a fast charge option that gets you to 50% in just 45 minutes. It's like having a caregiver that works a full shift, takes a short nap, and gets right back to work. No complaints, no burnout, no calling in sick. But wait, there's more. Optimus uses Tesla's end-to-end neural network system, the same AI backbone behind full self-driving. It's got 8 autopilot cameras for visual perception, tactile sensors on its fingertips, and force sensors in its feet for balance. This means it can navigate your home, avoid obstacles, recognize faces with 99.7% accuracy, and even respond to voice commands. Have you watched The Jetsons? Because Rosie the Robot Maid is starting to look a lot less like fiction and a lot more like your next Amazon order. And compared to competitors, Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is impressive, sure, but it's a research platform that costs well over $100,000 and isn't available for consumers. Figure AI's robot is enterprise-only with a $39 billion valuation. Unitree's humanoids are available but face scrutiny over potential military connections. Tesla's target? Mass production at $20,000 to $25,000 per unit at scale. What sounds like the better deal to you? Now this is where things get really exciting. Let's talk about what daily life could actually look like with an Optimus robot caring for your aging parent at home. Tesla has already demonstrated that Optimus can perform over 3,000 discrete tasks. That includes vacuuming, sweeping, stirring pots, opening cabinets, closing curtains, throwing out trash, and even folding laundry. Awesome. But for elder care specifically, the implications go way deeper than housework. Imagine your 80-year-old mother living alone. Right now, you're probably worried about her every single day. Did she take her medication? Did she eat lunch? What if she falls and nobody is there? These are the kinds of thoughts that keep millions of families up at night. Now imagine Optimus standing by. It monitors her daily routine, reminds her to take her medication at the right times, prepares simple meals, and if she stumbles or falls, its sensors detect it instantly and alert you or emergency services within seconds. No judgment, no fatigue, no shift changes, just constant, reliable presence. As Elon Musk shared in a July 2025 interview with Tesla owners in Silicon Valley, Optimus is being engineered to operate as a, quote, 24-hour day nurse, especially in environments where the work is physically demanding or highly repetitive. He specifically highlighted elder care as one of the primary use cases. And we believe him. Think about what that means financially for a moment. A nursing home costs you $10,000 every single month. That's $120,000 a year minimum. Optimus? One purchase at $20,000 to $25,000. Even if you factor in electricity, maintenance, and software updates, we're talking about a fraction of what 1 year of nursing home care costs. In other words, Optimus could pay for itself in less than 3 months compared to what you'd spend at a facility. Crazy numbers. Now, we know what some of you are thinking. And honestly, it's a fair point. Many people remain skeptical about whether a robot can truly replace the human touch in elder care. And there's real substance to that concern. First, let's be transparent. Tesla's production timeline has shifted multiple times. Musk originally hoped for production-ready robots by 2023, then projected 5,000 units by the end of 2025. Actual production numbers in 2025 came in at just a few hundred units before a pause for redesign when the head of the Optimus program, Milan Kovac, departed in June 2025. He was replaced by Ashok Elaswamy, Tesla's head of autopilot and AI. So yes, there have been setbacks. Second, some demonstrations of Optimus have been partially teleoperated, meaning humans were controlling the robot remotely using VR headsets. That caused some controversy after the We Robot event in October 2024. However, Tesla has since demonstrated fully autonomous capabilities for specific tasks, and Musk confirmed that the October 2025 demonstration was entirely AI-driven. And then there's the emotional argument. Can a robot provide comfort to someone who's lonely, scared, or grieving? We think that's a valid concern. A robot isn't a replacement for human love and connection. But here's the thing that many critics overlook. Right now, millions of elderly Americans are already receiving substandard care because of severe staffing shortages. 24 states in the U.S. have been deemed to have a critical caregiving emergency. Nursing homes are understaffed, workers are burned out, and families are going bankrupt trying to fill the gaps. Optimus doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be better than what millions of families have access to right now. And we're confident it can be. Now let's paint a picture of where this is all heading. Because the future looks like the future. Imagine it's 2028. Your parents are in their mid-80s, living comfortably in the home they've owned for 40 years. An Optimus robot handles the cooking, the cleaning, the laundry, and the grocery organization. It monitors their blood pressure through connected devices, reminds them about doctor's appointments, and even leads them through light stretching exercises every morning to keep them mobile. If your dad has a fall at 2 a.m., Optimus detects it before he even hits the ground, cushions the impact, and immediately calls you and paramedics. Your parents get to stay in their home, with their memories, their neighbors, their garden, not in a sterile facility with fluorescent lights and shared rooms with strangers. That's not just a technology upgrade. That's a dignity upgrade. And here's something else to think about. Japan, which has one of the oldest populations on the planet, is already aggressively pursuing robotic solutions for elder care. Their government is actively funding the development of care robots because they simply don't have enough young workers to care for their elderly population. Tesla, with its manufacturing scale and AI expertise, is positioned to lead this revolution globally. As Musk stated at Davos in January 2026, he believes Optimus could eventually make Tesla a $25 trillion company. And elder care is a massive piece of that puzzle. We dare to affirm that within the next 5 to 10 years, having a humanoid robot in your home caring for your aging parents won't be a luxury. It'll be as common as having a smartphone. And Tesla is building the foundation for that right now. Now we want to ask you, the YouTube viewer, what do you think? Would you trust a Tesla bot to care for your aging parent or grandparent? And if it were you, what would be the maximum monthly payment you'd consider for a lease-to-own program instead of paying nursing home bills? We'd like to hear your thoughts. Please let us know in the comments below. With that, we hope you learned a lot about Tesla's Optimus robot and its incredible potential for elder care after watching our episode. If you did, we humbly ask to please press that like button and join the Visionary Vault family by subscribing to our channel. You'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We value your feedback and the time you spent watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless.